Hi everybody, my name is Jose Parra, the owner and the inventor of the Cooler Quest strap cart. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. Today we're here to talk about face masks. So earlier I produced a video where I showed how to make a really quick makeshift mask where it was a paper towel and some of these home filters. You cut up a home filter and you slip that in there with some coffee filters and a couple rubber bands, and then you've got a really quick mask, that a disposable mask, right? So what I've done since is I've been working on a design for my own 3D printed mask. And the way this works is this is a reusable mask that you can 3D print if you have a 3D printer. If you know somebody has a 3D printer, it prints it prints down like that, all one piece, no supports, no brims, no rafts, and it takes the mask here takes about 2.5 hours, and the cartridge takes about 30 minutes to print. The advantage to this is this is about the approximate size of the filter that you need. So you can just place that right into the what I'm calling the cartridge. You can place a couple in there if you like. You take it and it snaps right on. Some of the things I like about it is that I've designed enough space in the mask that your mouth comes nowhere near the cartridge. So it'd be horrible for the filter to actually catch the virus, and then you transfer it by touching the filter somehow. With this, it's just really easy to come over here at the end of the day, pop off the cap here, tap this, or use a stick or a screwdriver or something to get the filter out. Once that's in the trash, you can then take some rubbing alcohol or some wipes and wipe down your mask, and you're set. So you'll find links to the files to print this mask on my Thingiverse account, and I'll put links in the description below. What I'm doing with my masks, and so I'll encourage you guys, if you have a 3D printer, if you know somebody with a 3D printer, get them the files, have them start printing a bunch right away. What I'm doing with mine is, I'm giving some to my family, and then I'm also going to donate these to the essential workforce. So I feel like the gap. Primarily, so I was a grocery clerk, member of local 870 retail clerks, and grocery clerks deal with everybody, but they're not getting issued the N95 masks, which I think is an oversight. So I'm trying to fill that gap with these 3D printed masks. So something that makes things that make my mask a little bit different is I've created multiple options for straps. So if you just have string or a shot cord or elastic or whatever, you can go ahead and use the ring. If you have flat material, you can go ahead and use the other option there. Some other ways to make this more comfortable is you can use this EVA foam. I think you can probably get this at Walmart or any like craft store. Some grocery stores maybe even carry it in their stationery area. But you can go ahead and cut strips out, use two-sided tape on the inside of the mask, and then affix the foam that way. What that'll do is that'll make it a little bit more comfortable to wear, but more importantly, it'll create a better seal depending on your face type. These work great for me. If I put this on and you won't be able to see it on camera, but if I put this on and then cover and then inhale, the mask will then conform to my face. It'll like suck in, which means I have a very tight seal. Some other options that you have for comfortability is this one. I just put a little bit of moleskin on the brim there, and then and just to give me a little bit of cushion. And the straps that I use here are actually 12-inch Velcro straps on each side. So and that's very comfortable. Another option here is shot cord. So here I have 20-inch pieces of shot cord that you can then put the mask on. And then this is just some foam that we have laying around the house. that makes it very comfortable, and then also makes that nice seal around your face. Now, this by no means is equivalent to an N95 mask, but it definitely will fill that gap. You know, it'll give you something better than nothing, and better than most actually. So, and this is I'm making this video today in light of the CDC recommending that everybody wear a mask out when like going to the store, when you're out in public, and there's a shortage. So please, if you know somebody with a 3D printer, if you have one, let's get our robot army working and print these out. All right, I'm Jose Parra signing off, and from my family to yours, be cooler, baby.